Hello YouTube. In this video, I will demonstrate the installation of Visual Studio Code and how to use Visual Studio Code to edit Python and to compile Python, to debug Python. Okay, first of all, in the last video, I installed Python 3.6.4. You can also see in the command prompt if I go and if I type Python. Python 3.6.4 is already installed. Now, uh, I'll go and download Visual Studio Code. It's a freeware. Visual Studio Code download. It can be used in all Windows, Mac, and Linux systems. You can see in the website this tutorial available for all kind of Visual Studio Code can be used for multiple programs like Java, Python, JavaScript, Azure, for all kind of scripting. It can be used, even it can be used for PowerShell as well. Now yeah, we are going to use Visual Studio Code for Python, and I'll show you how can we use this for Python. Visual Studio Code is downloaded. Now I'll just go and install. Okay, just click on next. Just read the license agreement and accept the agreement and click next. Just choose the location where you wanted to install. There's a shortcut. Just click on next. Create a desktop icon if you want, or else no need. Add path available after restart. I mean, this means this installation path will be added to the environment variables of Windows. This will be after the reboot, which means you will have to reboot the system after the installation. Click on next and click on install. Now it's getting installed. Okay, I'll just click on finish. Okay, this is Visual Studio Code. About if you check, yep, the version is 1.3.0.2. Okay. Okay, I recommend you to reboot the system after installing the Visual Studio Code. There are two ways you can start the Python. First, on the Explorer. Okay, just click on New File and see this is not yet saved. First of all, we have to save this file. Okay. See, this is a plain text. I recommend you to create a folder. I will create a folder called Python. And on this, I'll just create my first project. .py. This is very important. This is very important. If the extension is py, then Visual Studio Code will automatically detect this as a Python program and it compile this program as a Python. Okay, just click on save. Okay, now you can see there is a pop-up. The Python extension is recommended for this file type, install. Either you can click on install here or else you can go to the extension. You can go to the extension, then here you type Python. Okay, here you can see Python. Just click on Python and you can see the rating and the number of downloads. Now just click on install. Just click on reload to complete the installation of the extension. Which means we are just reopening the Python is installed and you are ready to start your Python programming with Visual Studio Code. Okay, this is one way of creating the Python project. You can also open the Python project from the command prompt. For that, you have to open the command prompt. Always start a new project from a new folder. Okay, I'll go to D drive. I'll create a directory called Python projects. Now I'll go to my Python projects folder. Okay. Now from here I'll open the Visual Studio Code. To open the Visual Studio Code, you have to type code space dot. Okay. Now Visual Studio Code is opened. And your path. Now if you go to the Explorer, this is your Python project folder. Whatever projects you create, it will be under this. Okay, I'll create a new file. I'll call it as my project .py. See, once you save as py, it will be automatically detected as. The icon here is a plain text without an extension. If I type .py, it automatically detected as a Python program. Okay. Now you're ready to start your Python projects on Visual Studio Code.